Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everybody. So this is our 13th lecture with the course Introduction to Linguistics, in which we are going to speak about second language acquisition. After a short introduction, we'll talk about the second language learning, acquisition and learning, to differentiate between the concept of acquisition and learning, acquisition barriers, affective factors, focus on method, grammar translation method, audiolingual method, communicative approaches, focus on the learner, transfer, interlanguage, motivation, input and output, communicative competence, and applied linguistics. So some children grow up in a social environment where more than one language is used and are able to acquire a second language in circumstances similar to those of the first language acquisition. Okay? So some people live in a setting, okay, in an environment where two languages are spoken. Okay? The father speaks English, the mother speaks French, so he is the infant most of the time acquires the two languages. Those fortunate individuals are bilingual. So the people who acquire the two languages at the same age, okay, of first language acquisition are called bilingual people. However, most of us are not exposed to a second language until much later, and our ability to use a second language even after years of study rarely matches ability in our first language. So most of people are not exposed to two languages at an early age. They are exposed to a second language when they start studying it at school, okay, primary or intermediate or high school, okay. So that's why whatever performance we achieve, it's not equal to our performance in the first language. A number of different approaches have been proposed to help learners become as effective communicating in second language as they are in their first language. So there are now people, specialists in studying and make studies, okay, researches, in order to help the people who are learning a second language to produce or to perform, okay, it as they perform in their first language.